Pre-treat insects, wheels, tyres, brake dust, tar, grease and badly contaminated areas by mixing 40 ml of 777 Metallic Touch into a 2-litre bucket and spray. Allow to stand for up to 15 minutes for the pre-wash to penetrate. Scrub if necessary and repeat if required. Clean the wheels and tyres first. They are the dirtiest part of the vehicle, and cleaning them first will prevent splashing and spreading wheel dirt all over the freshly cleaned truck. Use 777 Metallic Touch neat or diluted between 1 to 2 and 1 to 5. Spray on the wheels and tyres and leave for 10 minutes. Depending on how long it's been since the wheels and tyres have been washed and how much dirt is accumulated, it may be necessary to agitate the 777 Metallic Touch on the surface. Do this whilst the product is resting on the surface of the wheel using a tyre brush or sponge to prevent scratching the surface. Make sure to try and reach into the corners, crevices and spokes of the wheel for thorough cleaning. Brake dust accumulates on the lug nuts, so make sure to clean those as well. Rinse the wheel thoroughly to make sure that all the product is removed along with the loosened contaminants. Repeat the same process on all the remaining wheels.